Today I'm going to show you how you can create survey design themes. Enalyzer is packed with ready-to-use survey design themes, which you can use as they are or customize to fit your needs. You can also create your own themes that align with your brand identity and save them for later use. To create your own survey design themes, you have to go into your survey and select Design in the side menu. Then you can make all the design changes you need. You can learn more about the survey design options and how to edit them in our video about our survey design options. Once you're satisfied with the design, you click Save Theme. Then you can name your theme. I'm going to call it Example Theme and click Save. Your theme can now be used for other surveys as well. To use one of Enalyzer's themes or one you've created previously, all you have to do is click on Use Theme. Then you can select your theme. For example, we can also choose the one we've just created, Example Theme, and click Use. Your changes will be saved immediately and you can review them on the right side preview. And this is how we can create a survey design theme.